Hi and welcome to this Blueberry Markets video update with me, John Kibler, head currency analyst. In this video we're going to take a look at dollar Swiss as price has now fallen back to that supporting zone we were speaking about. So earlier we talked about the potential for the market to fall from this sort of area here. That's a bad example of a drawing. Let me just get that back in. From this area here down to our major swing point. So typically the market would look to potentially get in a move here. So we need to be a little bit careful because a lot of people will probably eyeing this area up for a long opportunity. So it may not go the way that we expect it to at first. But, you know, I do like the opportunity that's starting to form here. And I will like it even more if we get a really nice daily close in this position. So if we could either stay as we are or find a bit of bullishness in here, this would be really nice. But ultimately what I would really like to see is a 4 hour, oh sorry, it's H4 on these charts. I'd like to see a 4 hour change in trend. We're starting to see a few buyers coming back in here, which would be nice. But as we've been speaking about quite often in our videos recently, because I want to reaffirm this statement quite a lot, when we get the impulse phases, we typically see the 4 hour change trend. Okay, when the 4 hour changes trend, that's when we are in that daily impulse move. When we get a change in trend here, you can see the market pulls back in a retracement move. So again, retracement, what is the market doing? Well, it goes a bit sideways, but still failing to make any higher highs, and we get lower lows. So typically in those retracement phases is where the institutions doing their business as well. So what I'm expecting here is if the market does want to bounce from this area, I want to see some kind of change in cycle on our 4 hour. And this is where our market patterns are so important. I don't typically believe in any kind of specific type of price action in terms of, you know, pin candles or bearish engulfing candles or bullish. You know, they all come into work, but they only seem to work at huge support zones. So it's more important to identify those key levels and then important to watch how price reacts, because my favorite pattern is the double top and the double bottom pattern, because it shows that price is failing to break any lower, and it gives me confirmation that price could be moving to the upside with a double bottom pattern, with a double top, the same thing. If the market can reject the previous highs and close below, it shows me that price is failing at this area and that we're more likely to see some downside at these key levels. So I'm watching for a double bottom pattern in here. Keep an eye on that. I do like the fact that we're in this huge support zone. We could sink a little bit lower before we do get up to trading this into a long position, but essentially I'll be watching this area to see if the dollar buyers step back in. We've got this inverse head and shoulders pattern. We looked for the short into the level, that was great. Now let's look for the long from the key supporting area. Thanks for watching this video update. If you did like it, please give it a thumbs up. What do you think about dollar Swiss? Do you think it's going to trade higher from here? Let me know in the comment section below, and I'll speak to you very soon.